Hey guys, happy weekend, happy Saturday. We are back at the Somerset Vineyard with this lovely lady. Somerset Vineyard. Hi!
Somerset Vineyard, we're excited to be at the car show.
Mr. Mahalo.
Mr. Mahalo's car show, 6th annual.
Amazing. We'll see you next year too.
Yes, definitely.
Muscle cars, all kinds of cars, big American cars. Look at these motors. This is crazy. The car is so big, it has another car inside of it, which is nuts. But we're looking for those Beetles, those sweet Beetles. No shortage of muscle here. This all muscle, all wine. Mahalo! Somerset Winery. Oh no! Oh no, oh no. The car is great, but then, oh no! Gotta watch out, careful. These are fun. Beautiful. Porsche Speedster. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, such great cars. Everywhere you look. 1 Porsche, 2 Porsche, 3 Porsche more. It's just, wow. So beautiful, so much work, right? But then, what is this? Carmen Ghia, baby, let's see. Just hard to stay focused with all these great, beautiful cars, but I think I found another Oval. Look at this. Wow, that's amazing. This is your car, sir?
Yes.
Awesome. What's your name?
Mike
Mike
Costello.
VW, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This color from across the parking lot, I'm just like, what is this?
Right?
This is crazy. I'm sorry, I gotta slow down. I'm too excited.
Good.
Where did you get this car from?
I got it out of San Diego about 3 years ago.
Okay, California car.
Yeah,
Oh,
car was
man.
built by air-cooled in Arizona.
Okay.
So
nice.
full air ride chassis is a 73.
Oh, it is.
Air ride chassis.
Look at you.
And then body is a 55.
55.
Yeah.
Man, 55 Oval. Yeah. Let's see it. Wow. And you went with the custom MP
Yeah,
lines?
it's the Australian flair on there.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. Oh, turned out wheels. Look at that. Just enough kick. It's great. Man, there it is. Beautiful. And how was it? Was it closest when you got it?
Yeah. I mean, the only thing that I did was some wiring and a stereo system and everything, and it just make it a little more lively.
As a bug owner, you're gonna be doing wiring for the rest of your life.
Yeah.
Wow, this motor's killer. Look at this. Everyone's sporting the dual carbies in this show.
Yeah.
Everybody's got one.
Yep.
Two carbs.
Out here, you have to. I mean, you gotta run it. There's so many open roads, you know, big straightaways and everything.
You
so
have
you
to.
Gotta, you gotta run them.
Yeah. Can we hop inside and take a look?
Yeah, go for it.
Wow, look at this, man. Just all the lines are so perfect, man. Mike, this is great. Oh, okay, so I was just looking up this the other day. You've got this steering wheel horn with Columbus on it, right?
Yes.
St. Christopher, right? It's not Columbus, it's St. Christopher, right?
Yes.
The good saint of travel, right? For protection against all things bad. And man, but look at this roof. This is like this when you got it?
Yes.
Dude, it's so awesome.
Right. A lot of people
Wow.
don't notice when it's so low and everything. That's the last thing that you see really is the
Right.
the roof.
Even the shifter is crazy. This is not original. You've upgraded this to something really cool. Look at
Yeah,
this.
vintage speed shop.
Man, that's great. Wow, what's one of your favorite custom things you have on your car? That? Bam, nice.
Door's a little off.
Yeah, it's okay.
Favorite thing? I mean, I love the air ride.
Yeah.
It rides so smooth and so nice, and fully adjustable for the speed bumps and everything. My driveway.
So it goes up another 3-4 inches, right? Height?
It goes up to stock ride height.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
for sure. It
So
goes.
you could
it
put
goes.
your hand up under the wheel almost.
Oh yeah.
Man.
There will be a gap like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Killer.
It goes up to about stock ride height.
Yeah.
So air shocks in the front, and then airbags and regular gas shocks in the rear.
Yeah, you have to do it. Look at this. That's great. I love it. All of it, man. Well, congratulations on having a beautiful car.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks for chatting with me. I really appreciate it.
Yeah,
Good luck
for
with
sure.
the show, man.
Thank you.
This is great. Loving the side window mirrors here too. These are great. cars as far as I can see. I don't know if there's more cars today or if there's more vineyards. You're okay. Malaho? I don't know. Mahalo, yeah, exactly. And then you got this bus kind of jumping in hardcore with the Hawaiian theme. Is this your car? Is this your bus, sir?
Yes, it is.
Oh, I'm VW.
I'm Moondoggie.
Moondoggie, nice to meet you. I'd love to hear about your whole setup here and what you got
boy.
going on, and
How
can you
much
walk me
time you
around
got?
your car and give me a tour?
Yeah, absolutely.
So where did you get this bus?
This is my second one.
Second bus, okay.
Yeah, my first one was back in '76.
Okay.
You can probably zoom in a little bit there. That was back in '76, my first car.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah, that was, I used to drive that bus in '76. We used to go to Mexico, Baja.
Nice.
And 4 months up to Canada, Highway 1.
Yeah.
I did a 4-month trip, me and my dog just surfed and
Man.
drove the whole way without one carburation problem. That was it.
I tried trying to tell people about surfboards on the racks. I'm like, you got to put the fins forward, face out. Like, come on, guys, do it the right way. Otherwise, you're not a surfer.
Yeah.
So this is, wow, this bus could talk, man. It's been, so how long have you had it for?
Yeah, this one I've had about 7 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
And where did you get it?
I just got it down in LA area and I restored it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, myself.
What all did you have to do to it?
The only thing I didn't do was the table that folds down or goes down and it folds out into almost a queen bed in there.
The only thing I didn't do was the table. That means
so I put
everything you've done owned.
Yeah. So I repainted it.
Man.
Matter of fact, I painted. I just retired 3 days ago. I'm an aircraft painter. in
Oh,
Lockheed
congratulations.
For 46 years.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
So this is actually the primer that we use on the F-35, the fighter plane.
Okay, this is a fighter plane bus.
Yeah.
I gotta get this front shot somehow.
Yeah.
In the bushes.
You gotta get that too down there, boy.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's great.
So yeah. So the F-35 primer, and then I put a metallic clear coat on it.
Dude, this is totally aircraft.
That's pretty cool.
Is that from a motorcycle?
No, it actually came off a 40s truck.
Okay.
And it fits the contour, so I put a motorcycle. Light in there.
Yeah, it's killer. Wow. Okay. It's because you're an aviation guy. It makes total sense. You're on brand.
Yeah.
I love it. The color choice is really fun.
Of course, I'm popular with the margaritas.
Oh, he's pouring margarita. We're gonna be best friends after we wrap.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
I'll hook you guys up. You're gonna be thirsty.
Man, look at this. I love you did the Hawaiian theme for the show and everything.
Yeah.
And right down to the coolers. Man, you're all.
Let me open up my thing.
Okay, the trailer hitch comes out and it's a surfboard table. Like, you have it all figured out, man. This is great. Let's take a look at the motor. Yeah, let's do it. Oh, wow, just enough clearance here. Man, chromed it out. Motor was it when you got it?
1600 stock, and I put a 1904 in it.
Yeah, you did.
So I doubled it up, and then it's got a straight axle freeway flyer, a 67 bug tranny.
Man, come up to the surfboard table, have a hang, have a margarita.
We got some music coming out of the
you got your
ukulele.
tunes. Yeah, dude, no worries. Look at you. This is amazing.
Well, everybody wanted like, hey, where's the margaritas? Where's the margaritas? So I had to come through like a Jimmy Buffett thing. So
it's a whole vineyard full of wine, delicious wine.
Very popular. I actually won People's Choice last year, I think, and I think it was bribing them with the margaritas. So.
Whatever it takes to win, man. Whatever it takes. Congratulations, Nick. Congratulations.
All right, thank you,
nice meeting you. Beautiful bus. Really great. So many great cars and muscle cars over here, and bugs and bugs and bugs, and this beautiful bug. Is this your car?
This is my car.
I'm VW.
Oh, hi. I'm Katie.
Katie, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Your car stands out like, hello. I saw you driving in from the road. It's beautiful color. It's gorgeous. Where did you get this car? Tell me the story.
Well, I wanted a VW, and my husband did some searching for me. I showed him some things that I liked.
Husband ever, am I right?
He is the best husband ever.
Yeah.
And he always finds something better. I just tell him what I want, and he finds it. And he found this, and it was in Sacramento. And the person that I bought it from was the second owner.
Okay.
And so
you're the third owner.
I flew up to go and look at it.
Okay.
And I just loved it from the beginning. I loved everything about it. I loved the color. It was very
It was this
clean.
color when you got it?
Yeah, it was.
Okay, great.
And the original color was poppy red.
Okay.
But I'm liking the blue.
Yeah.
And he had the surfboard in the back.
Oh,
and
okay.
so he threw that in, and he just happened to be coming down to SoCal the week after I flew out there to look at it. And so he offered to trailer it down for me if I bought it. And so I said sold.
You are so lucky.
Yes.
You hit gold. This is great.
It's
Talk
a
to me
great
about
car.
this interior. Was like this when you got it?
It is, yeah.
Man, you're telling me the dashboard was this beautiful, the steering wheel was like this. This is all this way when you got it.
Yes, green tag and everything.
Oh man, look at that.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
And you have the speed shifter going on here. This is awesome. Man, look at that. And these are the kind of interior you want because you're not going to burn your legs. These hot, still a little bit hot sometimes?
It does get a little warm, but I do like the white interior.
Yeah.
I would like to change up a couple of things to make it more customized.
What's on your list?
You know, I was thinking of maybe redoing the door panels with like a diamond pattern.
Oh, okay, that's fun.
And I don't know, just maybe, I'm still thinking. I
Yeah.
have so many options in my mind.
You do.
I'm not quite sure.
And you have
But
a husband who says whatever you want.
he used to work with wheels and tires, so
Okay.
he helps me a lot, but
Yeah.
so far he's made me do all of my own work on the car. He just kind of guides me through it.
Where is this guy? He's hiding now. He's like, I don't want to be on camera.
Yeah, he's hiding now. But he's been such an empowering person for
Yeah.
me, making me do it all, but then
because now
helping
it's your
me
car.
through the
You have the knowledge. You
It
know
is.
things. You've done it. You've done the hard lifting and the knuckle
So-
busting on all the wrenches and stuff. So
I have.
let's look at the motor.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Man, wow, it's just as beautiful back here as it is over there. And wow, look at this.
Thank you.
Man, so I mean, I'm looking at this going, this is how you bought it?
I know.
You stole it. You another person. Someone else got a car like this. You stole this car from this person. This person. Wow.
When I first got the car, I had no idea about anything on this engine other
Okay.
than 1776 dual Solex 40 carbs. I had no idea what that meant.
Okay, so talk to me.
None at all.
What do you know now? Let's do a
Well,
little test. What are these things?
That's a carburetor.
Okay, boom. So that's already that.
Check.
What about this guy?
That's a coil. I just replaced that in February.
Look at you. How about this? What's
Distributor.
Done.
Changed that in
this?
February.
And the thing that's blue is
The distributor cap.
easy. Boom, boom, boom.
Changed
Knocking him
out
out. Yeah.
yesterday.
This component is
The alternator.
She's a mechanic now. Look. Okay, not everybody sees this. In the
Sure.
back, there's this gauge here
Yes.
for pressure. What's that for?
I'm gonna guess fuel pressure.
Mm-hmm.
Sure.
Yeah.
Because I had my fuel pump replaced. We did that also in
Yep.
February.
Where would the mechanical fuel pump go if it was on this motor?
It's in the front.
No, if it was on the motor originally,
Oh, on the originally.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a great question. I have no clue.
you see the distributor?
Mm-hmm.
But you see the little plug next to the distributor?
Yes.
You take these two things out, and the mechanical fuel pump goes
Oh,
right here.
yes, of course.
And that's where it is.
And I know that. I
Okay,
just
sorry, yeah.
drinking wine.
Yes!
Drinking wine. Yes,
think
because
you
they used to have the vacuum distributors.
That's right,
Yes.
right. Yeah, you get a 99% on your quiz. Great job. You're a Volkswagen mechanic now. He turned you into one.
I'm trying. I'm trying.
You're succeeding. You're succeeding. Look at this. And you're driving it everywhere. And man, have a trailer down for you and look like this.
I got lucky. I got
Wow.
very lucky.
Wow.
But I mean, I've done a lot to it since I've had it, but just minor things because
Yeah.
it was in such great condition.
Yeah.
I'll be working on the wheels and the interior next.
Oh, what's
the door
with the wheels
panels.
look great. What's with the wheels? No?
Uh,
No? What? Okay, it's fine. It's your car. You do it. But I love what it is. What
Yes.
are we changing? What are we doing?
I don't know yet.
Okay.
I want to keep the drum brakes though, so that I
Yeah.
have these original style wheels.
Okay.
The,
Maybe just the hubcaps you want to change? Is that what you're saying?
the
or?
white walls.
Oh, the
'Cause
white walls.
They're not real white walls.
Oh, okay.
And
I see.
they're in bad condition.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's fair. That's
So,
fair. Yeah.
I'd like to get true white walls.
Ah, okay. Vulcanized rubber white walls or whatever it is. I think is that
Yeah.
a thing? Maybe, I don't know. I'm looking at your birth certificate here. This is awesome. So great. Oh, I know what you need. You
Yes.
need a Volkswagen gas cap.
I know, I've been looking at that. I found one on eBay.
There's a guy over there, he has one. You just give him like $20 and he'll
Oh.
swap it for him. 3 glasses of wine later and
20.
make a deal.
Okay.
That's the way it works, right?
Okay.
No. Don't listen to me.
No.
I give terrible advice. But this car is gorgeous. I really like the
Oh.
eyelets too. That
Oh,
really
thank
brings
you.
very classy, fun, yeah.
Thank
LED
you.
bulbs. That must be bright. Yeah.
They're good. They're brighter than what we had on there originally because you couldn't see anything.
No, no one can see you either, right? Nothing.
No.
These trucks are so high and everything.
Yeah.
Well, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.
Thank you.
Yeah, beautiful car. And for a sunny day like this in California, I think it's the perfect car for this show. It's really great.
It is.
Yeah, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Wow. All right, this is amazing. So many great cars. They got more Beetles.
Mustang over here.
Mustang.
Yeah, convertible, 66.
Oh man, want to go look at that Mustang?
Tiki.
I was just about to say goodbye, but apparently there's a Mustang.
That's her car.
Is it her car? It's her Mustang.
Yep. Take
Okay.
it to your Mustang.
I never get taken to the Mustang. Give me 1 second. So normally I just do Volkswagens, but then your husband's like, baby, and I'm like, okay, we'll do it. So, are you a car person?
I am not a car person. However, when I first started dating my husband, I told him my dream car was a convertible Mustang. And it's an old lady car. So he said, well, what's an old lady?
Wait, all Mustangs are not old lady cars?
Well,
Mustangs?
to me, at the time we started dating,
Okay.
in my head,
Okay.
a Mustang convertible when I'm an old lady. So
Old lady car, I'm with you.
So then I said, you know, it's an old lady car. He goes, well, what's an old lady? I said, about 50, because I was in my 20s.
Yeah.
So then he goes, okay. So, by God's great grace,
Yeah.
I turned 40-10. Don't say the F word.
Okay. So after 40, 40
And
plus.
for my birthday, he gifted me
This Mustang.
my beautiful Mustang.
What?
Her name is Cutie Pie. She's a 1966 Mustang convertible.
Wow, she totally is. So Cutie Pie, what is your name again?
Tiki.
Tiki, I'm VW.
Hey, VW.
Nice to officially meet you.
You too, darling.
So
Hey,
when
wife.
when you saw this car for the first time, did it look like this?
It looked exactly like this.
Wow.
Please take a look at Cutie Pie.
Wow. Okay, walk me through this. Look at this. This is the trunk space. Wow. You don't get to see these on these European cars, but on American cars, it is a Cutie Pie right there. Look at
That's
that.
her name. Look at her license plate.
See, you did it. Wait. Yes. I just love these big seats and the big back. And the top
Yes,
goes
yes,
all the
yes,
way
yes,
down. It's nice.
Look at my mirror
Man.
inside my horn.
Oh, hold on. I'm not that fast. Wow. Oh, yes. There's like 6 feet of door here. Look at this car. This is incredible.
Thank you.
Incredible.
I have an amazing
You
husband.
do. If you ever get tired of him, send him my way.
I will.
I was like, I want a Cutie Pie too. Look at this. Does everyone get a Cutie Pie?
Everyone doesn't get a Cutie Pie.
No. I'm gonna go on the other side and
Absolutely.
look over here. Wow. Look at this car.
She
this is
makes
like
me
16
so happy.
feet of car, 17 feet, 18 feet, 30 feet. Man, who's washing this car, T? Who's
Not
washing?
me.
Not you? Yeah. Wow, look at that. Nice. So as you're at these car shows,
This
and
is
you're
my
seeing-
first car show.
Okay, first car show. So you see this guy coming by, right? A little smaller than your car. Fun. Is there another car that you might be looking at similar to this one or something different you might like on the next car I want to get? Everyone wants another car, right?
No, I want a horse.
You want a horse?
I got a Mustang. I was gonna get a Mustang.
Get a
horse,
real
right?
Mustang horse.
Yes,
I like the
right.
theme.
It's a set.
Yeah, and Cutie Pie can be the horse and also
Yeah.
the car. Yeah.
Right.
Look at this motor. Wow. Someone takes care of the motor too. Look at you.
My husband.
Beautiful. Amazing. Well, thank you so much for letting us
You too.
come look at your car.
My husband not a cameraman. You lucky.
Appreciate
Okay.
nice meeting you.
You too,
Yeah,
darling.
enjoy the show.
I
Yes,
will,
so
I
lovely.
will.
That was awesome. An unforeseen Mustang just pops up. You got to jump on the chance when you get them. Again, guys, Temecula Wine Country. I just saw a split. What, guys? All right, thanks for watching. I'm checking the split real quick, and we will see you guys on the next one. What? In the parking lot. Look, see it?